This is the Pocono waterfall, guys. Last time I was here I couldn't make a video, but this time I'm in here. I'm making as much as I can. This is a slide, there is a slide, this is a slide, and there is a slide. There's a lot of things. Last time I was here I played all of the games, but I couldn't make a video. But today I got so much of extra time so that I can have a video of a Pocono water park. This is the greenery. We are going up, we're going down. And this is me, guys. Let's rock and roll. Let's wear masks and let's be positive in this coronavirus thing and have a great vacation. I'm moving along the trail, guys. That's the Pocono. There's the kid. This is the view from the Pocono CamelBack WaterFall hills. I'm taking it from above. Oh. Yeah, we are going downhill now, and this is the view of Pocono waterfall CamelBack from a top view. That's my feet. That's my feet, guys. Hello. Enjoying the moment, guys. Enjoying the view and the moment. And that place is for zip line. I tried to go there, but it's back today. I can't do zip line. Maybe next time for sure. I've completed all the waterfronts over here, and now I'm just getting some videos out of it. See the view, guys. All greenery, all greenery. This is the way right to downhill at Pocono. I can't zoom in. And this is my feet.
Take a post for Instagram.
This is fun, guys. This is fun. This is fun. I'm getting near.
Don't move. Lexi, don't move her. Bye.
Hey. I guess. Where the hell is the... Yeah, you can see there's all greenery. And this green grass and that green grass in winter, I think it's for skiing. So this whole area is water park for summer, and in winter it's gonna be a skiing place. Pocono skating place. So this old grass, that and that is gonna be all ice. So it's gonna be a skiing place. So it's quite fun to come here for vacation. Just chilling with the flow, guys. See the greenery, utmost greenery. It's like a cable car of Nepal. Chandragiri or Manakamna cable car, same like that, but it's little bit of low hill. But it's fun. It's open and it's fun. Last time when I came, I did play all the stuff. Now we are hanging. Yeah. Now we are hanging. Yeah. That's fun. Now we are hanging. Hanging on the place. We are not moving now. Wow, it's fun. It should be in height now. I came all the way down. Look back. We all are hanging around, guys. Just hanging around. And we are near to the Pocono water park. You can see there's a lot of people. Last time when I came, I did play all the things. So today I'm just videotaping in the place. That's it. And this one is for skiing in winter. Look at deer right there. There's a deer. You see that? There's a deer. A deer, maybe musk or something like that. Animals are just around, you know. It's just a wildlife place. Now we are getting near, and this is it. This is all park. There is a park. There is a park. There is a swimming pool. There is a slide. There is a park, and that's it. The place is good for family vacation. Mostly summer family vacation. Slides. There's like a pool. And here we have more slides. There's more slides. There's more slides. And everywhere slides. There's swimming pool, waves, everything. I came here. This is the top view. That's it, guys, for now. Let's rock and roll. Let's be chilling. Peace. गाइस दिदी त्यहाँ ले जानु त्यहाँ तल पुरा फाल्छ त्यो रमाइलो छ त्यहाँ ओ त्यहाँ go yeah पानी खाली मुझे
Wait, you guys really made me a stay in the line for one? You guys made us stand in a long line for one tennis ball. This is a soft wave from set from Pocono, and it's a wrap now. Until next time, it's done. See you. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, take care. Bye. Stay chilling. Have fun.